Ah, a good night's sleep. We all need it, crave it even, to be at our best all year long. Introducing the Honeywell Dreamweaver Sleep Fan, designed to help you create the optimal sleep environment to help promote a more restorative night's sleep. This uniquely designed fan delivers powerful cooling when you need it and soothing pink noise to help block unwanted sound. Engineered to maximize your comfort, this fan features 3 speed settings and is the first of its kind. On-off airflow shutter giving you the ability to maintain your favorite sleep setting and sound, regardless of the season. Simply leave it open for cooling airflow during the warm weather. Or close the shutters on chilly nights. The Dreamweaver's patent-pending design helps block outside noise by providing soothing pink noise, which is more balanced and natural than white noise. By lightly touching the top of the fan, you can change the speed setting with easy tap controls. So easy you can do it in your sleep. This fan also oscillates for wide area cooling, providing refreshing air circulation throughout the room when desired. You can pivot the fan to direct airflow where you need it. An optional auto-off timer, dimmable control panel lights, and a mobile device charging USB port put you in control of your sleep environment. With the Dreamweaver Sleep Fan, you can dream comfortably all year long. You won't want to sleep without it.